Keeping one character consistent is easy, but keeping 3 characters and a custom prop consistent is where most videos fall apart. I'm going to show you brutally consistent workflow using Seedance 2.0 and Cheap It Image 2. I'm giving you all the free prompts and templates in the description below, and we are going to cover everything in under 3 minutes, so let's start. First, we'll start in Claude. This is my AI of choice, but you can use the other AI models if you prefer. I'm going to attach my base reference image of a pirate named Jack. Next, I'll paste my prompt template and click generate. Claude will now create an exact prompt we need to use inside ChatGPT. Our prompt is ready. Copy it, open new tab and head over to ChatGPT. Select create an image and set your aspect ratio to 16:9. Paste the prompt we just copied. Crucially, make sure to attach the reference image of our pirate Jack. Once attached, send the prompt. While we wait for that to generate, let me show you the other assets I created for this story, which features 3 characters in total. First is our younger character named Cole. Here is the prompt and the final character sheet we will use. Next is our prop, the spyglass. You can see the prompt used and the final generated item. Finally, we have our female character named Emma. Here is her prompt along with her completed character sheet. Those are the 3 characters and the prop we will be using. Let's head back to ChatGPT. The generation is finished, and here is our complete character sheet for Jack, the older pirate. Now, we need to go back into Claude to generate our video prompt for Seedance 2.0. I will leave the template and all other prompts I'm using in the description below, but now the crucial step here is the naming part. I explicitly name my references @Jack, @Spyglass, @Emma, and @Cole. Using specific character names is much easier to manage than generic labels like @image1 or @image2 and so on. Based on this, Claude has generated our complete story prompt, and now let's bring this over to Jamina. Copy the prompt that Claude just generated and paste it into the text box. Next, attach all of your reference images. I named my uploaded files after the characters to keep things organized. Once everything is attached, carefully go through your prompt text, highlight the characters' names one by one and link them to the corresponding reference images. Click on the Cole and a tag in his name, tag Jack, tag Emma and tag the spyglass. Repeat this process for the entire prompt, making sure that every single element all the way down is properly linked to its reference image. And here is the final result. That is the entire process. Thanks for watching, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.